Hello friends, is your car struggling with rough idling, stalling, or just refusing to start? If you've scanned your vehicle and found the P0389 error code, this could be a serious issue with your Crankshaft Position Sensor B circuit. Ignoring this code can lead to engine misfires, poor fuel efficiency, and even sudden breakdowns. But don't worry, today I'll explain what P0389 means, its symptoms, exact sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0389 code stands for Crankshaft Position Sensor B circuit high input. The Crankshaft Position Sensor, or CKP, is responsible for monitoring the position and speed of the crankshaft. It sends signals to the ECU, or engine control unit, to control ignition timing and fuel injection. If the ECU detects an abnormally high voltage from the sensor, it triggers P0389, causing engine performance issues. Common symptoms of P0389 include a check engine light turning on, hard starting or the engine not starting at all, intermittent stalling while driving, rough idling and poor acceleration, engine misfires and power loss, and decreased fuel efficiency. If you have these symptoms, let's locate the crankshaft sensor. The Crankshaft Position Sensor, or CKPB, is typically found in a few different places, depending on your car model. You might find it near the crankshaft pulley, also known as the harmonic balancer, mounted right on the front of the engine. Sometimes it's positioned near the transmission bell housing, close to the flywheel or flex plate. In other models, you might find it on the side of the engine block, close to the oil pan, and in certain cases, it could be inside the timing cover, protected within the timing belt or chain area. Tip: the exact location depends on your car model, so check your service manual. Now let's talk about the common causes of the P0389 error code. First, a faulty crankshaft position sensor itself might be damaged or malfunctioning. Wiring issues, like frayed, corroded, or shorted wires, can send incorrect voltage signals. A damaged reluctor ring, also known as the tone wheel, can be misaligned or dirty, interfering with the sensor. Electrical problems, such as a bad ground or weak battery, can affect sensor performance. And although rare, a faulty ECU could misinterpret sensor signals. So, how do you fix the P0389 error code? Well, here are the steps you should follow. Step 1. Scan for additional codes using an OBD-II scanner. Step 2. Locate and inspect the crankshaft position sensor. Step 3. Check the wiring and connectors for any loose, damaged, or corroded areas. Step 4. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's voltage and resistance. If it's out of spec, you'll need to replace it. Step 5. Inspect the reluctor ring for any cracks, dirt, or misalignment. Step 6. If no faults are found, test the ECU and battery voltage. Finally, Step 7. Clear the code using an OBD-II scanner and take the car for a test drive. The P0389 code can lead to severe engine problems. If your car is showing signs of stalling, misfiring, or refusing to start, don't ignore it. Check the crankshaft sensor circuit as soon as possible. For more car troubleshooting guides, watch these next videos. P0075. Intake valve control, solenoid circuit bank 1, and P0076. Intake valve control, solenoid circuit low, bank 1. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.